Get all your pussy little and tight, you little I'm a night. Can lock you down the whole night, tap you up with knife. You're not afraid I'm alive.
Hey. Boom! What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss, and we're back with another reaction for you guys. Now, if it's the first time here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Help me reach 10,000 subscribers. That's the aim. The goal for this year is 10k. So if you're first time, consider subscribing for the most lit reactions from Jamaica and the most lit reaction channel overall on YouTube right now. But we have Intence, Likkle and Tyrekejt official animation reaction by the reaction boss. Comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post. I will post every day 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. I think I'm going to post a Trinidadian reaction next to Prince Swani expert. That's what I want to say. I don't know my follow and I want some people do that and I'll do that next. Anyways, I have this Intence, Likkle and Tyrekejt. They might not give me a video for post every week. I like Intence, thanks. Every week I post a song, 2 to 3 to 4 songs for the week, like me. Bomba cleat your bad. Anyway, you can see what I want, people. Like the video. I'm running in that video right now. I'm going for that. Move up the camera and show good in the run through. Alright.
Jungle Jesus, that girl make me can't pass like she a G-Sat. If me no breed.
Oh, nah, the man said I can make him can't pass like she a G-Sat. Hold on, no, G-Sat is not that hard. Anyone who feel G-Sat, dunce. Run through.
Yeah, me must see that.
Yeah, man.
Boy, just walk out. Your pum clean.
Well, and the cartoon girls them out here. Thank God for the animation and the cartoon girls them out here. Watch your style,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just walk out.
A cartoon girl in the pink tights. In the pink tights. And more pink, the green tights. We don't even know color the cartoon girl. I'm blind with it. You know shape right. But run go and see what a cartoon girl that day. She go on good man. Go on, baby.
Your pum clean, sick, no for talk about.
Yeah.
Girl go out life and start out.
Yeah.
Say you fuck.
Them cartoon girl are bad. Well, and they like we start look some cartoon girl in the people. We don't know chopping on. The cartoon girls them outside. Drink up on the water. I ready now.
We at all car. Your pussy little and
That now pass me, so hold on there. Cartoon girl, you feel it bad?
and say you fuck. We
What a cartoon girl that? She a try catch me? Hold on.
at all car. Your pussy little and tight, you little I'm a night. Can lock you down the whole night, tap you up with knife. You're not afraid I'm alive.
Hey.
Tight, you little I'm a night. Can lock you down the whole night, tap you up.
Huh? No. Anybody who do that animation, yeah? Big up your blood clean self, you're general. But hold on them, because so I go on. Some hold them sometimes, so I'm not like, if I'm lying, I'm dying. Run through.
Up with knife, you're not afraid I'm like a bedroom fight. And now Intence again, oh Jesus Christ.
I want the blood. Look at the cartoon face of that. Watch out. Blood clean. Yo, anybody who do that animation, dog, trust me, you deserve a Grammy already. I'm just start watch it. No, sir. Run through, Likkle and Tyrekejt.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Me live a white, so ride out every eye.
No.
Come me up again, me catch back a bag.
John. Buckley, no. Cartoon girl put at this level. And you know me, you know. It's not a music video, but I not even made the song as usual. I'm not a review channel and put it out there again. I'm a reaction. I'm do reactions. I react to things. People that come and talk about review. I'm not a review boss. Anyways, review, I'm married design. Anyways, we could see what I go on right here, son, man. Cartoon girl, them I get body.
Look
how wide I move.
Bunch of blow me like a breeze, don't sing up.
The video, that part they can't watch one time. The part they have to watch 2 and 3 and 4 times. I got my 3 far. Man, hold up on the cartoon cheeks, them. Bumblecleat. The dog hold up on the cartoon. Watch it, look at watch it now. Watch your face, watch your mouth. Blood clean. Man, hold up on the cartoon cheeks, them, and the mouth. Ooh. Watch it.
Sing a punk tight every time. Girl is stuck in my mind as my broke me catch a vibe. So why? Stiff burst.
Yo, dad, that person who developed that something here deserve a round of applause, yo. This is excellent. This is A1, this is a class. Yo, make even know first class editing, draw, everything. I wanna do it first class. Me nah lie. Big up yourself. People, link to the original video down below in the description. Run through.
Take type, pussy fat, nigga lie. Plus your road, man, I go lie. Like you do one for the night. Yeah, the thing you want to buy. Barbecue.
Yo. Cartoon girl, I'm go on. No, me no want to get copyright. Well, I the three some go on. Bumbo clip. Me just see it a while ago. But I go skip through and go through a little bit because I don't know what's already. So, last Intence video I do get black. That's why I kind of go on. I do that one like a little baby. I treat that video right. Like I want to post the video them for get to see them. You understand me? But hold on there. Go on. Let me see what I go on a while ago. Three some go on. What the bumbo come at? What the jungle bongo dongo go on right here, so? What's your style there?
Apply, take a trick, go Dubai. We a fuck out to life. Go get the baby on.
Wait. Watch a lap dance cartoon again. Blood need a lap dance cartoon again. But that me want to see. You look like you can see the jumbo good on that. Look on the bed. Look on the back and span the bed. Watch your style. Look in her back. Look in her back. You can see shit. You see me? Watch it.
Go to life, go get the baby on. Your pussy Likkle and
Lap
Tyrekejt.
dance, bombo
class. You're not afraid I'm like the bed.
Bad. The song bad too, no, but you don't know, say me made these videos and thing them. So if you want reactions, I'm telling you again, reviews. I'm not a review channel. Reaction, do not subscribe to me for reaction me do. So music with the reactions, and me that. Me do 1 and 2 other because I don't like how I do them. Some people like how I do them. Other people talk about a phones. Me not care. Let me answer man. Run tune.
You don't fight and no Intence again.
Jesus Christ.
You fuck me live a while.
Yeah.
Heavy eyes. Me come me up again. Me catch back a bar. Shoot with all.
Hey, nah like that. This bad. I'll go through some more, but no matter if I go through more, I see everything will go on right there. So we drink some more water and continue the reaction. People like you from the like the video yet. Is it me I say? And if you're not Intence supporter, yang in the comment section. Yang. That one see in the comment section. Yang. You know, 1 and 2 commenters, comment some 5 emoji too. As me I say 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 comment. As me run through.
Me might mark but me no lie. Love when she blow me like a breeze. Don't sing a tankai. If me start from fuck you me up. Rock a key in your hole, me no pull out.
Rock a key in your hole, me no pull out. So much cartoon baby, you gonna make Intence. You gonna make the cartoon use them. That video, Jano. I hope I get to upload this one and it don't get black like last Intence video because I want to see this. Run through.
The whole yeah cool if you carry you.
Hey, don't want anything you don't like so she get stabbed real way. Yeah, but you shit, but me I talk about you in the green tights when you just talk about. Sorry for shit, but this man zoom in 2 times, make you like she get 2 joke. Zoom, give a pop up why can't I zoom there? The pan zoom and yeah, run through.
Walk out, your pum clean, say no for talk about. Like type pussy fat, go get the baby on. Pussy Likkle and tight. Walk out, your pum clean.
Because I'm repeat over the chorus again and thing. Alright, hear me I say man. Thank you for love and support as usual. And guys, when you realize again, the video them start get black now again. So the pause boss is in effect again. I hope you all still enjoy the reactions because some used to start out first and used to enjoy them. I just want to subscribe now. So subscribe if you're new. Please like the video from the new. You understand me? If from there from long time, you don't know that. Do the right thing and like the video. Like the video. Right out in the comment section. You don't know what I do. You actually make the video them get rank up them more for more people see them. So if you're new here, support Jamaican boy. 10K worry to subscribe if you're new here. You understand me? Subscribe to the most lit music with the reactions them. The most lit vlogs them. Yo, guess what? I have a couple share with me and my girlfriend. She American, I'm Jamaican. Link I go pin in the comment section. Go and subscribe to that channel there. I'm out. But no, I miss the vlog boss. Right now, I'm there 5 and below. I look at case. For the phone, you don't know chop already. John, no longer no vlog. So I'll put this at the last part of the video. Pick a case right now. So I go on. Never go white yet. You know, I might go white. When the work part them, I'm over this today. Don't know it's chopping. Now, what kind of music? I hope you're not up right. Don't know what I forget that. Sis, I need a case. Yeah, another one. What you doing? The other one break right here and this one is broken right. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm vlogging. This one broken right here too.
Okay.
This broken.
Go get it.
I don't know which one to get. Come help me.
Come on, I gotta get Jody something.
Sorry, I'm looking at something.
You.
Me? Yeah, I said you the case queen.
Tamika.
The one you talk to. Yeah.
kind of ringtones that, man? God dang. This is all they got for also.
Yeah, Five Below. Some tape. They should, yeah.
Catch you on now vlog. That's a little piece. That's a little piece. Let me know if you guys want the vlogs back. Alright. I'm out.